Hello friend, today we just talking about online learning versus offline learning, which is better and which help you more for your learning. When you learn some things important, when you think to learn anything like skill, then you want to search a class which is divided into two parts. First is online and the second is offline. In online you can study at any place. You just sitting on the room, you are in any place, you just open in your phone and then you can learn. This is called online learning. And offline learning is that you can go join the classes on physical way and go there for study. Like if you learn stock market, then you have two options. First, you search on YouTube and learn from YouTube, and the second option is that you just go to nearby your nearest tuitions where they can study about stock market. Then you can join the classes and you go in physical way and then you can studying there. This is offline learning. And in offline learning you are studying with many friends. There are so many friends in one class. They all have coming there for learning stock markets. And in online you can sitting alone in the room and just open your YouTube and search about stock market. Then you can searching all the things, and it's help you to learning at your home or in any place. Like you can do job, so then also you can learn stock market in office also. And you just playing, you just exercise at your gym, then also you can learn stock market. This is the benefit of online learning. You can learning anytime, anywhere, any place. But in offline learning you can go to at a locations where the studies, where you can join the class. Like you can join stock market class in Delhi, so you can go daily on daily basis for learning. But in online you will never you you will never going anywhere. You just sit any place, then learn and studying about stock market. This is the biggest difference, and I am sharing about my story, that which is I have more interest. I am more interest in the online learning instead of offline learning, because when you go anywhere for offline learning, then first they all are first you make friend and talking to all of them, then you build a group and you can search what you can search new tips, or searching things that you can enjoy all friends together. That's why I am going back if they talking about offline learning. And if online learning are offered me, then I can join. Even if my eyes will was closed, then I also select online learning. It is best for me because no will be disturb you. You can just sitting alone and learn with focusing. That's why I always choose online learning. Online learning help you to knowing if you any problem on this video, if you problem on that video, you can just reverse, you can just go back, then repeat, then you can listen 2, 4, 5 times. It is benefit of online learning, but it is not facility on offline learning. In offline learning, you just listen. If you are not understanding, then teacher will tell you first time, then they can't explain, and the first you didn't go also to ask on 2 times 3 times. I saw so many people they can't go, even they didn't understand, then also they don't go. That's why I am always selecting what I am always selecting which part, online learning. I am here for my online learning. I always learn online, and I just started online learning. I am telling you On 11, when I was on class 11, then I start learning online. I search subject by subject on YouTube, then we can learn all the video or seeing all the video, which video are good for understanding. Then I will see all the video, then I understand all the things. It's helped me lots of things learning. And what I am telling, I am just telling that I am happy to learning online. Online learning helps people to learn more and more things without going anywhere, without asking any of them on physical way. If you are shy persons, then it will be good for you. It will be best for you. If you shy, if you are introvert, then it will be 100% good for you, that you can always select online learning. It will be always good for you. And if you don't waste your time on physical learning, then you will always select online learning. I am just prefer online learning. Online learning is the best platform where you can learn. I done my 12th, my graduations through online learning. I learn everything through online. I think 1 or 5% which is learned by offline, then everything learned by online. In I think for last 5 years. That is the power of online learning. Only you have courage to ask questions, courage to search anything, then it help you to do anything, searching anything, they get you answer within a second. Now I am learning English with ChatGPT. They can help me a lot. Or guide me. They seeing me, they take good path that I can go on the path. So study very well, and I'm just telling whatever you think. I'm telling the right things. And so I'm completed my day, and this is my complete. Thank you.